Sustainable gardening practices are essential for minimizing environmental impact and promoting long-term ecological balance. The principles of reduce, reuse, recycle can be applied to gardening to create a more eco-friendly and responsible approach to cultivating plants and managing landscapes. Let's explore how these principles can be incorporated into sustainable gardening practices. Reduce. Water usage. Implement water-efficient techniques like drip irrigation, mulching, and rainwater harvesting to reduce water consumption in the garden. Chemical inputs. Minimize the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Opt for organic and natural alternatives whenever possible to reduce chemical pollution, which can lead to unnecessary waste. Plan your garden carefully to reduce excess materials and trimmings. Reuse. Compost. Create a composting system to recycle kitchen scraps, garden trimmings, and other organic waste. Compost provides nutrient-rich soil amendments, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers and landfill waste. Repurposing materials. Utilize reclaimed or repurposed materials for garden structures, raised beds, and pathways. This practice reduces the demand for new resources and adds character to the garden. Save seeds from non-hybrid plants for future planting, preserving plant diversity and reducing the need for purchasing new seeds. Recycle. Recycling containers. Use recyclable containers and pots for seedlings and transplants. Opt for biodegradable or compostable options when possible. Recycle garden waste. If you cannot compost certain materials, check if your local recycling facilities accept garden waste such as branches, grass clippings, and leaves, such as recycled plastic or reclaimed wood. Additional sustainable gardening tips. Biodiversity. Encourage biodiversity by planting native species, creating wildlife habitats, and attracting beneficial insects. This fosters a balanced ecosystem and reduces the risk of pest outbreaks. Organic gardening. Adopt organic gardening practices, such as crop rotation, companion planting, and natural pest control methods, to maintain healthy soil and minimize the use of chemicals. And design your landscape to conserve water and energy. Responsible waste disposal. Properly dispose of hazardous materials, like old pesticides and herbicides, by taking them to designated collection points or hazardous waste facilities. By incorporating these reduce, reuse, recycle principles into your gardening practices, you can play a significant role in promoting sustainability, protecting the environment, and creating a thriving and resilient garden space.